Good early afternoon on this beautiful holiday weekend with sunny skies with a patch of overcast on this northwest wind. Very chilly, but yet very comfortable Saturday on this early July, midsummer, on this 4th of July weekend in the greater Roseville metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan, right? You can see some of these coins have bounced a little bit, right? We've been trading for the holiday weekend. We'll keep an update. Not a lot of updates this weekend. I got a lot of plans. You can see Bitcoin's 2% as I make some coffee. XRP 2%. Just really they're not doing a whole lot. Quanta is having a little pump again, so I'm sure I'm going to have to hear from that asshole, Brian Stewart. Ethereum 3%, ADA 1%, and then on down the line to this garbage down there. Peek into Bitcoin. Get in there. Come on. You can see Bitcoin's it's having problems trying to get above that upper resistance, right? Like we thought it would. And there's no volume, so I don't know what you expect to happen when there's no volume, but, you know, it is what it is with you guys and that Brian Stewart fag. Oh, look at that. We tried to peek over there. See that? We tried to peek over it, and now it looks like we're about to come down pretty good. It's possible. You see that? How we're dancing on its upper resistance? See that? See how there's no volume? What's probably going to happen is you're going to come back into these moving averages today in Bitcoin, right? That's what I think you're going to do in Bitcoin. XRP. Same thing. We told you we'd be dancing in between the blue box or the green box and the orange box. And that's exactly what you've been doing the last few days. You've been bouncing in between these boxes. We can see if we zoom out. Oh, I'm in a 30-minute. We need to go into the longer time frame. 1 hour time frame should be good. All right, see that? Let me zoom out. See how you've been bouncing between these green boxes and blue boxes? Right? Look at that. Now what we're probably going to do in XRP, unless we get a huge pump, which I don't expect, you start bouncing in there over the weekend. You can see our price label is 68 cents now is our overhead resistance. And 57 cents in this tightening range is our underneath support now, right? See how that plays out. And then if we go into Dogecoin, everyone's favorite Dogecoin, my company building Dogecoin, right? See what we got going on here. Dogecoin, we told you what we think's going on yesterday. We think we're going down there and we're going to ride along this upper resistance, right? And then we're going to end up back down there as the price actions moved. We'll move our price labeling. Your upper resistance is 24 cents and your lower support is 15 cents. That's where I honestly think you're going down to with no volume, right? As I switch over some laundry that I forgot about last night when it went off. Lots of laundry, actually. So bear with me. But that's where I think you're going in Dogecoin. You can see the volumes crashing. God, this shit is so dumb. Like, how do you want me to fucking pull this fucking indicator up? It doesn't let me. Fine, then just fucking go out of there if you're not going to come up, dude. Like, what the fuck? It's so stupid. TradingView's so good, but so stupid with their little bullshit, dude. You know what I mean? Like, everything works good except little stupid fucking shit that's so annoying. Like, why even fucking have this shit on here? Just like this. No, I don't want that. Nobody wants that up there. Nobody cares about a momentum strategy. It's the dumbest fucking shit ever. I'm not fucking with that right now. You know what? I don't have the patience for that, and I don't give a fuck. So we're not gonna fucking look at the indicators today because I just don't have the fucking patience for it, right? I don't even want to do this video right now. So that's what's going on in Dogecoin. XLM is the same thing. You can see we had that watch up here to try to see what was going on. We have our little watch there. Weather alert Purio, no shit. There seems to always be weather alerts there. Wow, a lot of nonsense in here. So we told you the other day when it popped up that we thought this might be a fake out up there. And then we were going to start trading back down to this underneath resistance. Just based off the fact that there's no volume, right? And all the other things we went over the other day. You can check out them videos if you want to know what I'm talking about there. But I think we're still on the right track. And XLM is going to be coming down because the volume's not there and everything else that we just talked about. Right, so that's what I think you're going to do. You can see our underneath support. Oh my God. You can see our underneath support. Our short term is 24 cents, and then we have a 22 cent right now. And I think you're going to be trading back down in XLM to a double bottom that you hit the other week down at about 19 cents fairly soon. That's just what I think is going on in the market. Brian Stewart, if you have different opinions, make your own fucking channel and try to make calls every day and see how you shoot at about 4% success rate. When Vincenzo has about an 88 to 90% success rate in his long-term forecast, which is very high in the stock market. So, fuck off, Brian Stewart. CeeLo got rejected off of where we thought. This pump that Brian Stewart was giving me shit about, Vincenzo called that pump down here and said it would be a good time to come up to upper resistance of this head and shoulders and then come back down and fulfill in this hook nose bearish reversal pattern, hook nose Jewish, and come down and fill that $2 target of that head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. It took place up there because you don't just go straight up or straight down when you're trying to fulfill patterns, right? And that's what's going on there. Like, subscribe, and share. Some more updates to come later on today. Peace and love. Peace and love.